Ganpati Bappa Moria. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Yes, the Lord of beginnings, wisdom, prosperity and good fortune is here. And every nook and corner of the city is drenched with celebrations, excitement and enthusiasm. Streets and pandals have been bustling with devotees as religious fervour and gaiety marks the prestigious Ganesh festival. Hello and welcome to the Foodie. It is the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi and the people of Maharashtra and many parts of the country are celebrating this festival of the elephant-headed god with gusto and pleasure and pride and with food. So come with me as we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi at the Lal Bagh Cha Raja in Mumbai, which is probably the most popular Ganesh pandal of them all. Okay, lots of people come over here for darshan and with them bring. आपने क्या लाया है? मोदक. मोदक. आप हर साल लाते हैं ये मोदक? और क्या ये नवस है? ये आप?
नहीं, एक्चुअली मेरे मामा की हर साल आरती रहती है.
अच्छा.
और दोपहर की वक्त है इसलिए भगवान को प्रसाद चढ़ाना पड़ता है. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं नैवेद्य. अच्छा. हम लोग ये करके लाते हैं मोदक और अपना प्रसाद.
अच्छा, और आप भी कुछ नैवेद्य लाए हो?
हम लोग एक ही फैमिली से नैवेद्य.
Acha. So these are offerings that are being given to the Lal Bagh Cha Raja. There is modak over here and there is naivedya, which is food over here, all going towards the aarti from this family. Okay, so I'm inside now a huge shed. The shed is actually a makeshift kitchen in which hundreds of people are cooking up food for the bhog for the Lal Bagh Cha Raja. Mr. Shekhar over here has been doing this for 5 years और ये festival लगभग 10 दिन के लिए चलता है और हर दिन यहाँ कितने आदमी खाते हैं?
पर डे राउंड ऑफ 2.5 से 3 लाख पब्लिक इसका स्वाद लेते हैं.
2.5 to 3 lakh people eat every day. इतना सारा खाना यहाँ बनता है. तो चलो जरा देखते हैं यहाँ क्या क्या बन रहा है आज और थोड़ा स्वाद भी लेते हैं. अच्छा, यहाँ क्या बन रहा है
ये कचौरी है. हाँ? इसका वटाना ग्रीन पीस का बनाया हुआ है.
अच्छा, जो फीलिंग आता है कचौरी का ये यहाँ बन रहा है. चलो जरा देखते हैं कचौरी कैसे बनती है. तिखट शिरा या उपमा बन रहा है. ये रवा से बनता है?
रवा से बनता है.
The tadka is done with mustard seeds, curry patta, green chilies, coriander, and then semolina or rava is put into this, and then it's bhuna out. When the color starts becoming a little red, hot water is added into it and cooked, and this is what it looks like finally, ना? ये ऐसा दिखता है ना इसको. Looking at all this food is making my mouth water, but I cannot taste it right now because the bhog has to be given to the god. After that, I will taste the food. thousands have gathered behind, waiting for hours to go for darshan. I'm the lucky one because the food is all laid out in front of me right now. This is the semolina, the upma kind of thing that we saw being made. Looks delicious, of course. It's really tasty. The amount of tadka is just right. The semolina is cooked nice and soft. And this has happened to us show after show. Every time we are eating food that has been made for the gods, if I may say so, it always tastes better for some reason or the other. And now for something that I cannot resist at all. Deep fried things. Hard. Oh, this is great. A visit to the Lal Bagh Raja is something that I've always wanted to do. I was not only lucky to get a superb darshan and aarti, I've also been lucky to get all this food. But it's not over here. We're going to visit some more pandals, so come along. During the festival of Ganpati, not only do people bring Ganpatis to their homes, on the streets of the city in Mumbai and most parts of Maharashtra, there are Sarvajanik Ganesh Utsav Mandals, like this particular one that I have come to. It's at Andheri. This Ganpati is called the Andhericha Raja, and they depict a lot of scenes from current and social affairs. This particular depiction is of the Akshardham temple. They are beautifully adorned, all the pandals. They've got over here, they've got a sand sculpture, and I bet the idol inside is also going to be spectacularly pretty. So let's go inside and get the darshan of the Andhericha Raja. For people in Maharashtra, this is probably the biggest festival that happens in any year. The beloved Lord Ganesh comes not only to everybody's home, he also comes on the street as a Sarvajanik Ganesh. This elephant-headed god with a wonderfully rotund tummy not only brings about a lot of happiness, it depicts a lot of prosperity, and above all, it always gives me a sense of great food. I'm going to go and take some darshan now of the Andhericha Raja, and I see someone over there who I recognize. So come, let's take the darshan and meet this somebody.